Hi, it's Sharon. Are you tired of your cravings running the show? They can just be relentless, can't they? Well, learning where your cravings are coming from is the first step in learning how to calm those cravings down. In my Calm Your Cravings course, we use a cravings tracker to really identify where the cravings are coming from. So let me share with you right now how to do this. Because gaining information of your own physical and mental well-being is critical in your healing process. Think of it as a scientific experiment on yourself. I do this all the time. So just get out a notebook or a piece of paper that's dedicated to this process. So when a craving appears, stop for a moment. In fact, that's clue number 1. When a craving appears, stop for a moment and see if it passes. It just might. But in this case, we're trying to identify where it's coming from. So stop for that moment and write down, what is it you're craving? What are your thoughts and feelings around that craving? What time of the day is this happening? Did an event happen that might have triggered the craving in your life at that moment? Write it all down. So when you have the information that you gather for about 3 to 5 days, you should definitely see some patterns happening. That's what you're looking for. You'll be able to see if you are continually craving a certain food or foods. That might be an indication of some sort of a nutrient deficiency. Or are you always craving something when you're stressed or anxious? That's definitely more of an emotional response. So getting this information is really going to help you in identifying where that craving is coming from and possibly why. And once you have that information, we can go to the next step, and I'll share that in the next video.